Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from ATWP. In this video we're going to see how can we update our plugins, themes, or even install themes or plugins from our Plesk control panel, which we are using in ATWP WordPress hosting. Alright, if you log into your WordPress hosting account, you will see a place like this in your WordPress section that you will see your WordPress installations. Here, you will find out two tabs named Plugins and Themes. Which of these plugins and themes you wish to activate or deactivate, that's possible in Plesk. You can just turn it off, activate the theme you like, and then your website will be in that shape. Let's check it out. As you can see, I have clicked on 2020 and right now my 2021 theme will be disabled and my 2020 theme will be activated. As you can see, you will see in a screenshot of your website automatically updated after we have after we have changed our theme. Right now I can open my website and as you can see, the theme is now on 2020. Also, I can activate or deactivate the plugins without logging into my WordPress dashboard. Also, you can install themes or plugins from your Plesk control panel without logging in to your WordPress dashboard. Just click install, and as you can see, you can search through WordPress repository, or you can upload your own plugin and install it easily. Alright, let's check it out. For example, the ATWP plugin. I will click on install, or you can search for your own plugin that you want, which is available in WordPress repository, and then you can install it exactly like I'm doing here. Also, you can do the same in themes. As you can see, the ATWP plugin has Yoast SEO plugin has been activated, and right now, as you can see, it's in my plugin lists. You can deactivate it by clicking on here, and you can remove it with this trash icon over here. If you want to put your website in maintenance mode, you can just click on maintenance mode, install your plugins, install your themes, activate or deactivate them, and then you will be able to click on deactivating the maintenance mode again, and then your clients wouldn't see any changes in your website until you make sure that your plugins and themes are set. Now let's check it out, that if my maintenance mode is working, and yes, my maintenance page is working great. That's it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.